Welcome to the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SIRT, the SAGE Group. I am Dr. Amit Abbas and this is a brief description about my qualification. In the today's session, I am going to discuss you about the turbo machinery. So at first we'll see the syllabus of the university exam as well as that what topic we need to prepare and introduction about the turbo machines and then the brief introduction in fundamental concept of the turbo machines and one by one we will see that what is the bifurcation or what how we can bifurcate the different types of turbo machine and the concept behind the bifurcation, that is also very much important. So let's start the session and if you'll see the video in a proper manner, definitely you will enjoy the session. So just I'm going to start the session from the beginning. The syllabus. This is in unit 1 and the syllabus will contain means the topic I have not mentioned here. I will also discuss that one, but that is a hidden type of things that will be discussed in between the lines, that is hidden. So definitely the energy transfer in turbo machines, application of first and second law of thermodynamics to turbo machines, moment of momentum equation and Euler's turbine equation, principle of impulse and reaction turbine, degree of reaction, energy equation for relative velocities, one dimensional analysis only. So this one is the syllabus regarding your university exam. So let's start the session with the introduction. Means at first we'll start the introduction and then we will move one by one, we will see each and everything. So at first the introduction regarding the fluid machines. What is fluid machines? At first, what is fluid? So I think the fluid is basically combination of, means it is if I am saying the term fluid, means it I am combining the two terms, that is liquid and gaseous phases. So I have not bifurcated it now and the term combinedly used as fluid. So a fluid machine is a device, as I have mentioned here, which convert the energy stored by a fluid into mechanical energy or vice versa. The energy stored by the fluid mass appears in the form of either potential energy, kinetic energy, intermolecular energy. The mechanical energy, on the other hand, is usually transmitted by a rotating shaft. So at first, up to this one, I just want to tell you one thing. For example, a hydraulic turbine I am going to install. So what is the concept behind that one? For example, a river is flowing. So usually the river is flowing through a mountain. At that place in the mountain, due to the height, it has some potential energy. When it comes to the planar, on the earth ground, the complete potential energy will be converted into kinetic energy. Means the energy due to its height, that is known as energy due to its height is known as potential energy, that is mg into h. This is m is the mass, g is the acceleration due to gravity, and h is the height of that mountain, or means the height of that fluid. So that potential energy mgh, when it will come to the ground, that mgh will be converted into half mv square, means in terms of velocity, that is kinetic energy. And that kinetic energy we need to utilize for the electricity generation. That's why we made a dam. That dam, we will construct a dam and then we will, that kinetic energy will be again converted into potential energy, means the height of that fluid column will be generated and that potential energy will be converted into rotating shaft, means mechanical energy, and then by using the generator we will utilize it for the electricity purpose. So this is the actual working of the turbine. So means what? A fluid machine is a device which converts the energy stored by the fluid into a mechanical energy, means rotating of a shaft. This is the basic function, and then after we will convert that mechanical work into electrical work, means electrical energy by using a generator. So that is another part. So the energy is stored by the fluid in form of potential energy. As I told you, the potential energy is due to height, kinetic energy is half mv squared. This is due to motion of that fluid. Intermolecular energy means if I'll talk about the steam energy, then internal energy will come into picture. That is means hidden in the enthalpy. That enthalpy H equals to U plus PV that you have gone through in your thermodynamics. So that is very much important. So the mechanical energy on other hand is usually transmitted by a rotating shaft. As I told you, machines using a liquid, mainly water will take, as we have already seen, are termed as hydraulic machine. In this chapter we shall discuss in general basic fluid mechanical principle governing the energy transfer in fluid machines, and also brief description of a different kind of hydraulic different kind of fluid machines and principle and performance, means each and everything we have to see in this chapter. So definitely just after this one a brief description about that turbo machines. Now next we are going to see this is a steam turbine, means turbine is there, and you can see that there is a very much significance of the blade, means blade properties of blade, means the to means the construction, the micro level construction of that turbine blade, means you can do the PhD on this one also. Very much important, expanding, as it will go through the complete steam turbine, so it will the steam will get expanded, and how it will be get converted into torque, that is very much important. We'll see it in later stages. So these things are very much important. So just see the construction, just for the sake of your interest, I have just used this picture over here. So now the classification of fluid machines. The fluid machines may be classified under different categories. So the first one, the classification based on direction of energy conversion, means two types are there. Means the first one is that if we are converting the fluid energy into the means the movement of the fluid will be converted into electrical energy, means shaft movement, and in the another phase the shaft movement, due to the shaft movement we will generate the motion of the fluid. So different two types of things are there. Let's see how it will work. The device in which kinetic potential and in or intermolecular energy held by the fluid is converted in form of mechanical energy of a rotating member is also known as turbine. For example, by using a fluid column, we will rotate a shaft, that is known as turbine. And the machine on another hand, different types. The mechanical energy from the moving part is transferred to a fluid to increase its stored energy by increasing either its pressure or its velocity, that is pump, compressor, fan or blower. So the means also we can say it in a different manner, that one is work producing device and another is work consuming device. The pump, compressor, fan, blower, this will consume your energy to produce the motion of the fluid. And on the other hand, turbine will consume the motion energy, means kinetic energy of the fluid or potential energy of the fluid to produce the electricity. So these are the basic difference you should know, and then on the basis of this one you also have gone through, if you have gone through the thermodynamics in the previous semester, so all in the PV diagram the word consuming device is having clockwise, clockwise, if the direction of PV diagram is clockwise, then definitely it is a work producing device. If counterclockwise direction is there, definitely it will be a work consuming device. So these have the bifurcation is there. Many more bifurcation is also there, but we'll see. This is example. This is a compressor, and here is the fan, and this is pump. So these all are the power absorbing turbo machines. So and a turbine we already have seen here. This is the turbine. So this is the basic difference. Means electrical in means water power or fluid power will be used to convert into electrical energy in turbine, and here the electrical energy will be converted into fluid motion. So these are the basic differences I told you. So next few more things are there, but we'll cover in the next video. So thank you for watching this video, and thank you on the behalf of the SAGE group and the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SIRT Bhopal. I am Dr. Amit Abbas. Just next thing we will be provide you the best video lectures, and do subscribe our channel, that is SIRT ME, and like and share the video. Thank you, and thank you all.